Hey dolls, it's your girl Queen and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are Jungle Fam gang, thank you so much for coming back for your girl, yes. So today we are going to be doing an unboxing. It's a box, I'm going to unbox it. If you dolls would like to see what I got in this box, please keep watching. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. All right, you guys, are you ready to see what's in the box? Let's go. It's a thread buddy. Oh my gosh, you guys. Get this out of here. Yay, I got the bubble wrap that I like. I'm going to enjoy popping this later. Okay, dolls, so this is my thread buddy. If you guys don't know what a thread buddy is, I'm going to tell you what a thread buddy is, okay? I'm actually going to read it off of the box. It has a little, background information about what thread buddy is. Okay, so thread buddy is an innovative product that was created with hair professionals in mind. Y'all, she created this with me in mind. It was carefully designed to meet all the stylist needs. You say. With its unique design, it would take hair extension installation a breeze. No more searching for needles. What? No more searching for scissors. What'd she say? Decreased installation time and increased revenue. That's what I'm talking about, okay? Let me stop. This product is like amaze balls. This is actually my second thread buddy, okay? I have this is the first one that she sent me. And when I say she, I mean the owner of Thread Buddy. This is the owner of Thread Buddy. Sent me this months ago and I have been using it ever since. You guys are gonna be like, well, if you've been using it, why the thread is still, a lot. This is actually the thread that comes with it. I don't use this thread for installs. I use my nylon thread, but I wanted to put back on the, original packaging just to show you guys how my original thread buddy looked. Now, I love this thing so much that I went out and purchased a second one using my own money. I did not ask her to send me another one. Like, I really stand by this product. It is something that I feel like all hairstylists or upcoming hairstylists or anybody who just, does hair in their free time, whatever it is that you do, listen, if you're doing a song, you need this, okay? You need this, hands down. You need this product in your life, okay? If you are a hairstylist, it is essential. I'm going to read off some of the benefits that Thread Buddy, offers. It says, cuts hair extension installation time by 30 minutes. Like, 30 minutes may not be a lot, but to somebody who's hustling and bustling and gotta, just keep the clients, rotating, this is something that is very handy. Chemical resistant to heat up to 420 degrees. Now, I find that this feature for this product is very, very important because a lot of the times, if you have a thread buddy, it's going to be on your station. And what else do we have on our station? Hot tools. So if we happen to be doing somebody's hair in a rush and we happen to have our curling iron or whatever hot iron tool next to the thread buddy, it won't, hurt our thread buddy. Has a top to keep thread in place. So she is talking about this little top right here. Now this top, I had to the owner kind of gave me some advice as to just loosening it up a little bit so that the thread can spin easily on its own. If it's too tight, you can possibly break the the whole shaft of it because you're pulling on it too tight. So her advice to me, my advice to you, is to loosen up the top a little bit so that everything can flow nicely. It has cutting capability with a holder that holds a razor. Now you guys, have you ever like just had the scissors in your hand and you put it down and you're like, well damn, I just had it, like what the hell? And it's right in front of your face and you're like, where the hell is the scissors? And you're just moving so fast. The cutter is right on there. It's right here. So I'm gonna show you 5 holes to store pre-thread needles. That is like a hairstylist's dream, because we kind of catch our needles wherever it is that we can. And you know what, this thread buddy is gonna make us look so much professional. You know, our clients are not gonna see, you know, our little, I've even seen people that have teddy bears or the foam heads. I use foam heads to catch my needles or to place my needles. I'm sorry you guys. Y'all are like, Koch, what is she talking about? I'm Caribbean, so certain things I say, you know, in a Caribbean terminology, so you guys don't mind me. But yeah, since I use a foam head to place my needles, so but by using my thread buddy, this makes me look so professional. Like, I have my clients that ask me all the time, like, what is that? I'm like, it's a thread buddy, boo. Because it has a drawer for storage of extra needles and razors. That comes, it's so clutch, because if you have an assistant or something with you, they don't have to wait for you to finish the thread that you're on. You can, you know, that your assistant can pretty much just go in a little drawer and thread some more needles, you know. It has a weight and a non-skid rubber base to keep product in place. Now again, like I said, a lot of the times if we have a thread buddy, we're going to place it on our station. Now with all the moving and hustling and bustling that you're doing with your clients, you know, if the thread buddy, you know, didn't have the weight, I'm sure it would have ended up on the floor somewhere. But the weight on it, it really helps, you know, to keep it in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, because I know y'all are dying like, oh my gosh, like open up the package already. I'm coming. Okay, so I'm gonna, you know, pick out and show you exactly what comes with your thread buddy. So you get thread with your thread buddy. Like, that is so amazing. Like, she did not have to do that, you know. It's, thank you sis. Okay, now this little thing right here is actually your blade. You guys, I love it. Some ASMR for you guys. I love it. Got it open. So this is your blade. It comes with, you know, a protective on it so that you don't, you know, cut yourself when you're trying to open it. Now I'm trying to take it off. Okay. There we go. Okay, so this is the blade that comes with it, and I'm going to show you exactly where you're going to be putting this. All right, you guys, this is your thread buddy. Now you guys, this little piece right here, it came with a piece. So this is the piece that you are going to thread your thread through. Okay, I'm gonna find, okay, so this is your thread buddy. All right, so now we're gonna put everything together, and I'm gonna show you everything, how it looks. We're gonna start by placing the blade. Okay, so I have my blade right here. Our blade is in. Now we're going to attach our thread. Now our thread buddy is set and ready to go. Now I want to give you guys a little close-up to show you how it cuts the thread. So I'm trying to find the best angle here. I think that's good, but I literally have my thread right here, and all I'm going to do is pull my thread buddy. Remember I told you guys to open up the top a little bit. Now this is all the way tight, and I just literally open it up just a little bit, and I take my thread and I'm going to pull it against my, I'm gonna do that again just in case y'all missed it, because if y'all don't believe me, take your thread. Okay, I hope you can see it. Oh my god, I want y'all to see it cutting it. Okay, but you're gonna see it right here. Y'all, I'm impressed just as the first time as I opened up my thread buddy. Like, this product it's amazing. It's every stylist's best friend. I almost forgot to show you the drawer. So this is a little drawer right here. This is a little drawer compartment. Okay. Yeah, I think that if you are still watching this video at this point, you have not clicked the description box down below to get your own thread buddy, then sis, I don't know, you're not serious about being a hairstylist. You're not serious about it, because every stylist needs a thread buddy. You heard me? Alright, you dolls, that is the end of my unboxing. I really hope that you enjoyed the product that I showed you. It is a really great product. I use this all the time. I am a hairstylist, so of course I'm going to be doing, you know, installs that require me to sew, and the thread buddy helps me so much. If you guys don't believe me about this thread buddy and how much it helps, you guys stay tuned for my next video, and I'll show you how I use my thread buddy. And by that time, I'm sure that you will be convinced that you need to get you a thread buddy.